How to change photo color in Photopea. So the first, once we go to Google, now we're going to search for Photopea here, and then open this website, as you can see. So here we select a picture from our computer. So let's click open from computer. So for example, if we get this picture here of Real Madrid, so here we got the picture or the design. The thing is, we'd like to change the color. First, we must click here on this one, and then go to this option, click on it. And here we must search for hue and saturation. Once we click here, this called hue, we can drag this to change the degree of the color. And this is the saturation, to change the saturation from the color or black and white. Also, this is the lightness. Also, you can change it here. So the thing is, we must change hue in order to change the color itself. These are only the degrees, not the colors, but this is the color. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.